if you have dreams, don't let it fade away. Right? Because every significant accomplishment demand perseverance and determination and good amount of hard work. Right?
Yes.
If you feel like demotivated, if you feel like tempted to quit, tab yourself, tab your subconscious mind, recall, याद कीजिए, resolve कीजिए, solve कीजिए that your initial motivation and stand up again with full of confidence and hit it hard towards your aspiration.
Yes. Wow, wonderful. Thank you so much, ma'am.
When you were talking to me and you were saying that, ma'am, I'm at the beginner level, but I can see that you are full of, you are confident, you have tremendous confidence. From where did you get that confidence? Let me have that secret.
It only started after connecting on video call with the co-learners, only after then. And I have in mindset that yes, I have to improve. And since my early time, I always has been to the environment where not everything was familiar to me. Okay, when
Mhm.
like studying in a government school, that was Kasturba Gandhi. You may know about it. Yes, Kasturba Gandhi. And after completing my 10th, I went to Surat, and there I took admission in the 11th and 12th. And that time also, like even in Hindi medium, I was struggling a lot. I was not able to, with the associate myself with the concept the teacher used to teach and the environment. So that all was unfamiliar for me at that time also. But I
Mhm.
somehow managed and become the topper of that class. Okay.
Oh, great, great. So first of all, give me high five. Give me high five. Why? The reason behind it that you just said that I'm from government school. I am also from government school from vernacular medium, from Hindi medium. And I feel that I can say it with a great amount of pride that I'm from Hindi medium. Whatever I'm doing, whatever I achieved in my life, just because of my government school. I don't want to, demean my education, because I've seen many of the people used to say, I'm from the government school. I don't have that MPS. How do I the bag of excuses. They are always ready with that handful of excuses. You know, giving excuses. Let me just give you that clear picture to all. Giving excuses is not going to help you, right? Because and
Yes.
somewhere I feel that we all, somewhere not, I think we all have 24 into 7 hours, right? We all are busy in our life, right? So giving excuse, I think it's not going to work it. What is going to work for it? Change your mindset,
Yes.
decide that, and summon that courage, muster that courage. If you want to learn something, and decide and think that if you will learn this language, what is going to be happen with you, because this language is globally accepted. And you know through this language you will be able to unlock the many opportunity in your life. You will create many opportunity, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah, I agree. Totally resonate with you at this point.
Yeah. So, okay, good afternoon, Neetu, and welcome. Thank you so much. First of all, thank you so much for reaching out, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And tell me how's your life is going on. Tell me something about yourself, because I'm all ears.
Yes, I am. Thank you so much for asking to me and connecting with me, accepting my request. Okay, so
Mhm.
I'm wonderful, doing great. After connecting you, yeah, I'm feeling little bit of nervous, but hope that session would go in a good way. Okay, so uh, as you
Mhm.
asked me introduction, so my
Yeah.
name is Neelamari. I'm connecting with you from Jharkhand and
Mhm.
currently staying in Giridih district that at my maternal home. And apart from this, I'm a mother of one kid. Okay, and I have done become graduate. Okay, I'm running YouTube channel also. So this is all.
Mm.
Yes. Knowing from you about the meditation, I again started meditation, doing meditation because earlier I was doing, but yeah, somehow I had stopped it. But now again I started from yesterday, I think. Yeah, and I'm feeling good.
Yes, meditation, it is a kind of, medication or medicine, it will heal you inside, because we
Yes.
are living in the world where lot of stress, we are running here and there for our bread and butters, right? So meditation somewhere up to some extent help you to deal with that stress, to deal with
Yes.
that problematic area of your life.
Yes, yes. And you able to understand that what is going inside of you, okay? That time you are able to understand what is the problem I'm going through and how I can handle it. Yeah.
Yes, that's a good point you just mentioned here. When you go into the process of meditation, you realize yourself, you're trying to find out yourself inside out, right? So,
Yes.
the what is the best thing of that meditation? When you go for the meditation process, you isolate yourself, right? And you create that intimacy with yourself. You talk with yourself, right? That is the best part. And you filled with the positive energy,
Yeah.
before the day, before the day is calling you for the responsibility, before you jump into the that ocean of responsibility and distraction demand your concentration. You need to be still, you need to be calm, you need to be part of that process known as meditation,
Yeah, true.
right? So okay, tell me, Neelu, why did you create YouTube channel? Is there any specific reason, any purpose?
Okay. See, ma'am, like if you, the person who has a job, he has in their mind that if I do not go for the job, I will not get paid. Students
Mhm.
same, like if they do not go for the school, they will get punished, scolded by their parents. Okay, so
Uh-huh.
there with them there is a motivation, there is a reason that yes, I have to do. For me, for learning my English, there I find that okay, if I there is a lots of reason with me to not maintain my consistency, like okay, doing household chores, being a mother, and there's so many things. So if I do if I'll start my YouTube channel, maybe I will keep motivated day by day because I have to connect with the good speakers. So
Mhm. Yeah.
for that, yeah, for that reason at least I will improve myself more and more, whatever the time I get, 1 hour or 2 hour. So that's why I started my channel. Yeah, and after starting channel, I'm improving lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Great, great. That's a great approach, to make yourself. I will say, that could be one of the reason to motivate yourself, because you are trying to improve your personality. You are working for your personality, not for the other people, right?
Yes.
And on top of that, you will be happy in your life once you will gratify yourself. Once you make yourself happy, then only you can make other people happy. So that is the best way, to chase your dream. And if you have dream, like you said, that you want to improve your communication skill, so let me just give you the clear picture, not to you, to everyone. If you have dream, please chase your dream. Don't give up, don't say die, don't give up, because when you are chasing your dream, you will be one step ahead in your life. If you are not chasing your dream, you will lead to that failure, that disappearance from that world.
Yes, continuously in complain mode. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And
Yes.
we what happened that like we have a very strong reason and there is no motivation behind it. No, somebody is going to tell us that you do it, okay, every time you will get judgment only. So I also,
Mhm.
I'm surrounded with a judgment people only. I always, each and every time I get so many of judgment, for not me also, for everyone. So for
Ah,
that, difficult to maintain yourself and maintain your consistency. So I thought,
ah,
okay, let's start it. I will, because I'm also enjoying, and yes, the time I will improve, I will grow. I will have a lot of things to connect with a lot of good and good speakers. So that time I have to improve. Anyhow, whatever I'll do, so this would be automatic reason for me to update myself. Yes, would love to know about your suggestion, that what you would like to suggest to the beginner level who are not yet into the English environment and want to learn the English, and also for like who is one step ahead of the beginner level and intermediate level, how they should maintain, how they should learn more and more, and how they can update themselves more.
See, the first thing for the beginner, let's just talk about the beginner people, right?
Yes.
They need to, first of all, they need to make the mindset. When we are at the beginner stage, we always surrounded by the fear of the
Yeah.
judgment, fear of the judgment, and we are not able to speak. Why? We think that we will become the barrel of laugh. People will mock, people will make fun of us. So first thing they have to clear in that mind, if I'll speak, it may be broken, it may be grammatical wrong, I have to speak.
Yes.
Right? I have to come out from the zone. First of all, they have to clear that thing in their mind. I will not, going to be afraid of anything. The first thing. Second thing, once you decided that I'm not going to afraid with anyone, search for the reason why you want to learn this language. Ask this
Yes.
question to yourself, why you want to learn. If you get an answer that you are learning this language to grow more for the real progress in your life, then the third step, go for the right approach, right direction. Because, we all are learning this language, And I've
Yes.
been asked many times that, ma'am, we are at the same pace. We are not improving. Why you are not improving? Because you are giving your best foot forward. You are going miles away to learn this language, but still you are not improving. Why? Because you are not connecting to the right approach. So what is most important is right approach, right guidance. For the
Yes.
beginner level, the first thing is clear your mindset. The second thing is ask question to yourself why you are learning this language. And the third thing is search for the right direction and right guidance. Because if you will invest yourself for the right direction and the guidance, right, it will open lot of activity, and you will understand the gravity of this language. You will understand the method, the technique of this language to learn to how to excel your communication skill. So that's very important for the beginner level. Now let's just talk about the intermediate people, right? You can choose a good speaker. You can choose a good speaker and take a podcast. I'm not saying that go for the 10-minute podcast and one hour podcast. At least you can choose 5-minute podcast. 5 minute. The duration should be only 5 minutes. Don't take it more than 5 minutes. Listen it once, twice, and thrice. Until and unless you will have that confidence, I understood each and everything, right?
Yes.
But once you understood, then try to elaborate by your own by your own sentences,
Yeah.
right? Another thing, don't go with the complex one, go with the easy one. What will happen if you will choose a good speaker, if you will imitate that speaker, if you will go with the shadowing practice with that speaker, what will happen? First thing, you will get the prefabricated sentences. I mean, you will get ready-made sentences,
Yes.
right? And if you are listening a good speaker, that means that speaker is good at this language, and all the sentences are grammatical correct,
Yeah.
right?
Mm.
And third thing, you will have vocabulary.
Yes.
Fourth thing, you will have sentence structure, and you will update yourself related to topic. If you are listening a podcast related to any of the topic, multiple tasks can be done by one activity, that is listening or imitating a good speaker.
Yes.
Hope I try to comprehend.
Yes. Thank you so much. It was really wonderful. Okay, and I would just add one point here, that if you want to do something to want to change your life, you must have to be clarity also, that you have to willing up. Okay, you have to give something there. You have to sacrifice something there. Okay, there is
Yes,
every journey, it takes sacrifice if you want to do something. Otherwise, your goal will sacrifice.
Well said, Neelu. Don't humiliate, don't demean that they are at the beginner level. Connect with the beginner level and try to help them, try to give them a good guidance, because now you are at intermediate level. Because
Yes.
I've seen many of the people, those who are at intermediate level, they are ignoring, they are keeping aside the beginner people. Why you are keeping them aside? Why can't you help them? Why can't you impart your knowledge by practicing them? Right. Now, the second thing, if you are at the intermediate level and you are connecting with the people who are at the same place, or who are, one step ahead in this language, try to learn from it.